If you want to track conversion using a redirect method of tracking with a Postback URL, then it is necessary to pass a clickid value to an affiliate network. For example, if this is your offer URL, you need to append the clickid token with affiliate network parameter. It should look like here. So you need to take your affiliate network parameter from the affiliate network documentation or from the affiliate network template in Volume and pair it with clickid token. You can see it on the example here. If you create your affiliate network and choose it from the template available here, for example, Max Bounty, you will see that the affiliate network parameter is filled in. You need to save it. Next, I will go to my offer. As you can see, here is my offer URL. Now, I need to append affiliate network parameter and the clickid token. If you will choose affiliate network here, and it is affiliate network from the template, you will see the tip here. As you can see, you need to use S2 parameter. When the offer URL is ready, you can perform second step. You need to take your Postback URL from Volume. You can find it in the settings and tracking URLs. And here is the Postback. As you can see, mine is pasted here. Now you need to submit your Postback URL to an affiliate network platform to receive Volume clickid passed in the affiliate network specific parameter. To do that, copy the Postback URL from Volume and then change the replace and optional strings with the affiliate network specific tokens. Once the strings are replaced, paste the Postback URL into the affiliate network panel. As you can see, you need to pair the CID parameter with the affiliate network token. Here, you need to paste affiliate network token, taken from their documentation. As for the remaining parameters, you can paste the values manually or use the affiliate network token if they support it.